Welcome to Pantechelearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Throughout the segmentations, we have seen some kind of a k-mean and app-based threshold segmentations. So inside that all segmentations, only one motive which we have, like we have to separate the foreground as well as background. So within that different ranges, we have many types like this. So Otsu thresholding, normal thresholding, app-based ROI, and through coding also we can apply this region, and inside this region itself how it will be getting extended means in the form of region growing and region merging. We can regionize each and every pixel inside that particular respective image, and from that we will be able to outline and we can project it out the foreground and background. So the same implementation basically we will be saying it as, once when we are providing an image, so within that the segmentation will be separating that respective area. So like we cannot say that this area alone, it can separate all the particular variances. From that we can focus on a particular region and we will be able to obtain that change over there. How that particular change it has been applied inside this classifications. So inside this classification means it is completely taken in the form of pixel based image segmentation. So each and every pixels of the image where the grayscale range, the zeros and ones will be completely varied, and sorry, not zeros and ones, 0 to 255, and that is the range of the grayscale. So from that 0 to 255, wherever the ranges has been completely changed at that particular place, the difference can be easily noted. For example, we all know according to our eyes the colors can be easily detected. So the same way the sizes also approximately we will be able to see. For example, 32-inch TV or monitor, 14-inch TV or monitor, screen guard. So like that kind of different materials we know. Like that, if you are going to regionize inside this particular segmentation, therefore each and every part inside this particular segmentations, it will be applying in this format. So here you can see some sample image. If I am providing like this kind of images for higher end of image region segmentation means, so outline can be converted into one border, the inner layer can be converted to another border, then the organ can be converted into two different parts. So this is one organ, that is one organ. So where and all the highlighting is able to apply, in that places we will be able to regionize this particular area. Usually if we go with the clustering method means the k-means and SFCM, spatial fuzzy means cluster. So these two types of clustering data we will be able to segregate. So like that only this region growing segmentation is also applied, but the requirement as well as the accuracy whatever we apply for the other things, it is slightly different manner. Why means, inside the clustering, this is also a part of clustering only. Actually the type itself clustering segmentation, clustering of images, from that we are regionizing a particular area. So this region of interest can also be said as in other words ROI. So throughout that particular requirements only, this implementation and its indications will be able to apply for all the functions whichever we need, especially inside the medical terms. If you are just providing a scan, accurately you will be able to get. So for that output only, now we are going to see how that coding has been formed and what are the functions and how we are able to regionize the data. So here this demo.m will be the main code. Now these are the supporting files. So all the supporting files are required. First let us start with region merging. What is the purpose of merging? Only reason is, if you are trying to separate or trying to segment means, so within that image itself we are supposed to make it. For that we will first segment and again we will apply for the merging purpose. So here the function is region merging, and first we have to find the neighbor. So like k nearest neighbor, likewise we are having a similar function find neighbor. So from that find neighbor we have to collect the region area, and this is user defined. User only has created this particular function. So here we can see that file which is present. Okay, from this only. Now after completing this, we will be seeing one by one. So then we will come to know what are those functions and why it has been called. Then after that, finding out the neighbor, the next thing is the statistic data. So the statistics will be able to collect the different variances inside the grayscale itself, grayscale or the RGB image. Inside this, both are applicable, and from that we have to calculate the similar values. So similar values means if a particular range is having the similar value, then that region it will be segregating separately. So for that we have to calculate the similar value. Then RGB value will be separated. So red plane separation, green plane and blue plane, and those data will be converted into the double data type. Now from that, if the variable as well as the threshold value we have to compare. So here we have similarity values, and from that similarities value, if it is less than threshold value means therefore the minimum S value will be taken as input, and therefore the region will be collected, and from that region it will be able to recreate based on the mean value. The mean value means from the total collected the average will be taken, and that average only and finally we will be able to see as the output. And for that the statistical data help also is required, because all the data should be arranged in the same format how it has been regionized. So from that only the statistical data we will be applying it, and finally we will be making it as a particular region. So this is merging the region. Now if you want to merge the region means initially that particular region should be identified, so that we can see in region growing. So inside that the region growing has been split into 4 regions. So within that particular 4 regions means x-axis, y-axis, x dash and y dash. So that 4 regions only, and from that first image size will be taken and it will be reshaped into the double format using k-means. Using the k-means, here we will be able to cluster the data, the respective area whatever it has been similaritized. So that area alone we will be able to segregate with the help of k-means. Then once completing with the k-means, it will be reshaped and generated with a normal window with an image. Then this data will be converted from class into the image format, and everything will be taken in matrix form. From that matrix form, all the data will be converted into the valley regions. So from that, the value whatever it has been obtained for the color image, or let it be for the grayscale. So from that it will be able to collect the average as well as its variation, and from that how much regions it has been extended we will be able to find. So from a single image how much region has been extended, that data will be clearly displayed through the drawing lines. Now what is this fine statistic? The statistical area of red plane, green plane and blue plane should be completely analyzed, because this segmentation it is applicable even for the color images as well as black and white images as well as gray images. So it must be opted for multi-purpose. Okay, so therefore the statistical data for 3 planes and everything converted to the double. Now for the range, how many pixels are there? According to that, the region will be continuously finding the mean value. That is only the 1:n. Then after that, we have to move for the find neighbor. So that is the statistic evaluation. Now the neighbor value. So first the total length, then total length will be converted into the zeros for matrix purpose. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.